solve for x. We're having 4x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 1. How do we solve this? Now, solution. 4x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 1. Now we're going to have 2x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 1. So when bases are the same, we add the exponent. When bases are the same, we add the exponent. We're going to say 2x plus 1 x minus 1. Okay, we're having 2x plus 2 is equals to x minus 1. All right. This one and this one, 2x minus x is equals to 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2. Then we're going to have x is equals to minus 3. X equals to minus 3. Now let's solve this. Let's see another way of solving this. Another way of solving this is using logarithm. Let's use log to see. That means we're going to say log on both sides. Then log 2, log 2, log 2, log. Let's see. You might get the same answer, minus 3. We're going to say log 4 x minus 1 is equals to log 2 x minus 1. Then we say log 2 x minus 1 is equals to log 2 x minus 1. Log says log a b is equals to b log a. Then we're going to say 2 x minus 1 log 2 is equals to x minus 1 log 2. What do we have on both sides? Log. We are going to say divide by log. Again, it says same answer. So x is equals to minus 3. Let's now prove. Then prove 4x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 1. All right. We're going to say 4 minus 3 plus 1 is equals to 2. Minus 3 plus 1. We're going to say 4 minus 2 is equals to 2 minus 2. So then what's going to happen in these instances? What's going to happen? Let's see. It's equals to 2 is equals to 2. Now there's a minus here. Minus. Then it's minus 4. Minus 4. Our equation says 4 minus 2 is equals to 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. Okay, so what do we have in these instances? We are having something like this. So now in these instances we're having something like 1 over 4 2 is equals to 1 over 2 over 4. All right, in this instance we're going to have 1 over 2 is equals to 1 over 2 4. Now 1 over 2, 4 is equals to 1 over 2, 4. Now this is the same as 1 over 16 is equals to 1 over 16. So x is equals to minus 3 is proved on both sides. Do not forget to share, like, and comment. Subscribe, share, like, and